Welcome to Grammar Grade 10. This is Unit 1, Lesson 9, and today we meet one of the busiest words in English, the adverb. Last lesson we worked on adjectives, the words that describe nouns. Adverbs are their close cousins, but they land on a different set of words, and they answer a different set of questions. By the end of today, you'll be able to spot an adverb anywhere in a sentence and say exactly what it's doing there. Let's get started. Let's start with the definition, and I want you to hold on to every piece of it. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Modify just means change the meaning a little. An adverb takes the word it lands on and makes its meaning more specific. Run tells you what happened. Ran quickly tells you how it happened. And the way an adverb sharpens a word is by answering one of four questions: how, when, where, or to what extent. Keep this in the back of your mind. An adjective lands on a noun. An adverb almost never touches a noun. It works on actions and on other describing words. So what do adverbs actually tell us? 4 things, and this little list is worth memorizing. First, how. She sang beautifully. Beautifully gives us the manner, the how of the singing. Second, when. She sang yesterday. Yesterday gives us the time. Third, where. She sang upstairs. Upstairs gives us the place. And fourth, to what extent, which you can also hear as how much or how often. She sang very softly. Very gives us the degree, telling us just how softly. How, when, where, to what extent. If a word answers one of those 4 about a verb, you are almost certainly looking at an adverb. Now, the harder half of the definition. What does an adverb actually land on? There are exactly 3 possibilities. Look at the first line. The runner ran quickly. Quickly attaches to ran, and ran is a verb. So here, the adverb modifies a verb. That's the most common case by far. Second line. The lamp is very bright. Bright is an adjective, and very attaches to it. So this adverb modifies an adjective. Notice it says nothing about the lamp. It tells us how bright. And the third line, she spoke quite slowly. Slowly is itself an adverb, and quite attaches to slowly. So this is an adverb modifying another adverb. And here's a bonus pattern. When an adverb modifies an adjective or another adverb, it sits directly in front of it, every single time. Let's talk about spotting them on the page. A huge number of adverbs end in the letters ly. Softly, quickly, rarely, perfectly. That ending is a genuine clue, and it's worth knowing. But here comes the trap, so listen closely. Plenty of the most common adverbs in English carry no ly at all. Soon, very, often, here, never, quite, to. Every one of those is an adverb, and not one of them ends in ly. And it cuts the other way too. Some words that do end in ly aren't adverbs at all. Friendly and lonely end in ly, but they describe nouns, so they are adjectives. So never judge a word by its ending. Ask what the word is doing in the sentence, what it lands on, and which question it answers. Here's the contrast that trips people up, and it's worth slowing right down for. Adjectives and adverbs both describe, but they describe different things. Sentence 1. The quick runner won the race. Quick is sitting beside runner, and runner is a noun, so quick is an adjective. Now sentence 2. The runner finished quickly. Quickly is describing finished, and finished is a verb, so quickly is an adverb. Same root word, same idea of speed, completely different job. So don't ask what the word means, ask what the word lands on. If it lands on a noun or a pronoun, it's an adjective. If it lands on a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, it's an adverb. Two more things you really should know. First, the negative words are adverbs. Not, never, no, the contraction N''T, and relatives like hardly and nowhere. Grammarians file every one of them under adverbs. Look at the sentence on the board. The train did not arrive on time. Not lands on the verb phrase did arrive, and it tells us to what extent. To zero extent, as it happens. Second thing, adverbs move. An adjective usually clings to its noun, but an adverb that modifies a verb can slide around the sentence. Slowly the door opened. The door opened slowly. The door slowly opened. All three are perfectly good English, and slowly is the adverb in every one. That freedom is part of what makes adverbs so useful, and part of why you have to hunt for them. Let's turn all of that into a check you can run on any word. Question 1. Does it land on a verb, an adjective, or another adverb? If it lands on a noun instead, stop right there. You've got an adjective. Question 2. Does it answer how, when, where, or to what extent? And a reminder, that covers both steps. Ignore the ly ending. The ending is a hint, never a verdict. The job the word is doing is what decides. If the answer to both questions is yes, then the word is an adverb. Ready to put that to work? In this first set, I'll highlight the adverb in a sentence, and you decide which of the 4 questions it answers. How, when, where, or to what extent. Pause the video and choose before I reveal each answer. He answered every question honestly. Ask yourself, does honestly tell us the time, the place, or the degree? None of those. It tells us the manner, the way in which he answered. So honestly answers the question, how? The train leaves soon. Now, soon has no ly ending, but don't let that fool you. It's still an adverb. It tells us the time of the leaving, not the manner and not the place. So soon answers the question, when? The soup was too salty. How salty? Too salty. The word too is measuring the saltiness for us, giving us the degree, the amount. So too answers the question, to what extent? Now the second question we practiced, what does the adverb land on? For each sentence, decide whether the highlighted adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Pause and try each one before I answer. The wind blew fiercely across the field. What is fiercely describing? It's telling us how the wind blew, and blew is the action word of the sentence. So fiercely modifies a verb. The soup was extremely hot. Careful here. Extremely is not telling us about the soup, and it isn't telling us about the verb was. It's telling us how hot. Hot is an adjective, so extremely modifies an adjective. She left very early. Early is telling us when she left, so early is an adverb. And very sits right in front of early, measuring it. How early? Very early. So very modifies an adverb. Let's gather it all up. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Never a noun. That's the adjectives territory. It sharpens that word by answering one of 4 questions: how, when, where, or to what extent. And while a great many adverbs end in ly, plenty of the busiest ones don't. Soon, very, never, and not are all adverbs. So when you meet a describing word, don't look at its ending. Look at what it lands on. That's the whole lesson. In our next lesson, we'll move on to prepositions. I'll see you there.